A poor kitten walked down the street, holding an old phone. Two kittens saw him and laughed, showing off their new iPhones. Hurt and ashamed, the little kitten cried, knowing he had no money. But he refused to give up. He collected bottles from garbage heaps, worked on construction sites, and labored in a steel workshop. Finally, he earned enough money and bought the newest iPhone. One day, he met the same kittens who once mocked him. Their eyes widened in shock. The poor kitten had become successful. Hard work had transformed his fate.